Sometimes you'll find that the bottom part of the latch is interfering where it encounters the lock, and it makes the latch hard to open and close. The solution is fairly easy. Open the compartment door and check the bottom nut. It should be secure. It's probably loose. You can tighten it with a 1/2 inch open end wrench or a 13mm open end wrench. First, tighten this nut down. You'll need to hold the bottom of the latch with your other hand as you do so. Once that nut is secure, see if the compartment now closes nicely. If it does, you're all set. If it needs further adjustment, loosen these two nuts, starting with the top nut, and adjust the height of the cam up and down a little bit until you get exactly where you want. A bit of trial and error is usually called for, but it's not difficult to do. Try to turn the nuts only about 1/2 to 1 turn at a time as you experiment to get the exact height that you want. Once you're done, the lock should open and close easily.